Hey, what's up, what's up? So the new year is coming and I want to take this time to just lay back, chill, and just take it slow in this video. I think I deserve that, don't you agree? So no roasting other channels, no analyzing other channels, no praising other channels. Yes, this is starting to sound like a very boring video. Anyways, when it comes to growing your YouTube channel, getting more views and subscribers, that's really what it means to grow your YouTube channel. I feel like a lot of new YouTubers out there still think that there are proven ways to really grow your channel. As in, most of the time, they want a template to follow where if they execute all of those steps again and again, then their channel will no doubt grow fast like crazy. Is there such a template? Well, yes, of course there is. The template is basically you. You're the blueprint. You're the whole reason why your channel is going to be successful. So it is important that we build you up for the new year so that you can come back feeling stronger, feeling better, smarter, and time to prove everyone wrong. Now, to implant those little blueprints of success in you is quite simple, and I'm going to help you out with that by explaining to you what exactly big YouTubers have that you and I can follow so that we too can rise up and claim that YouTube trophy. Of course, this isn't just me sharing my thoughts and feelings and opinions with you. I have personally researched and analyzed the habits of all the successful YouTube channels over here. Whether you hate them or like them, it doesn't matter. What matters is they all share the same habits, and that's what we want to copy. The first and most important one of all is, of course, money. No matter what you say, money is very important for your YouTube channel. I need you to remind yourself that money is not the root of all evil. If you work hard to build up a new income stream, then you deserve to make money out of it because you put in the hard work, right? But I know what you're thinking. I just want to do this as a hobby. I just want to do this for fun. Yes, but no. Let me explain myself better. When I say you deserve to make money from your YouTube channel, I don't mean having lots of money so that you can splash the money in the face of those who don't believe in you or go out there to live a lavish lifestyle with luxury cars and handbags. No, that's not what I mean at all. What I actually am saying is you need to start thinking in such a way where YouTube can eventually become your full-time business, one where you can actually make money by having fun. The money you make from your YouTube channel is for you to sustain your channel and your life, to put food on the table. Because if you want to do YouTube for fun and you really love it, you're gonna make sure that you have the financial backup, right? The finance can buy you the time you need to create the videos you love. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a comment left by someone on one of my YouTube videos recently, and he explains why having a second source of income is important. At the start, he was trying to decide if he should try and make blogging his full-time business. But it was hard, much harder than simply getting a job, especially if your job pays you really well. And that's what he did. He went back to get a corporate job, get paid well, but at the same time, he continues blogging. Then one unfortunate day, his mom got sick and he had to quit his job to take care of his mom. But fortunately, because he continued to blog over the years, his blog did generate him some passive income to help support him and his mom financially, even if it's just a little. I think many people underestimate the uncertainties in life. It is always easy to say that as long as I have a full-time job, I am secure for life. But I have always felt that a job is secure for as long as everything remains unchanged. And when things do change that is out of your control, money is always going to be a problem in one way or another. I think it is important that you have at least two sources of income to protect yourself from uncertainties like this, because the second income source becomes very useful when you need it the most. And that is exactly what I think many YouTube channels should aim for, to build a passive income stream from all the videos you create on YouTube. It is not about being rich. It is about controlling your own finances and making sure your income is not cut off when you need it the most. So once you start thinking about how the money you generate from your YouTube channel can help give you the freedom to do the things you love, then you will start thinking about branching out and use YouTube as a platform to make more money. This is the one key thing I see in many successful YouTube channels. The revenue they make from their channel is just a bonus. The big money comes from their sponsorships and online courses. Alright, now, the second habit I found in successful YouTube channels is self-confidence. This sort of confidence is not about creating random videos and thinking that it is going to go viral. It is more around the lines of knowing what you're doing with your YouTube channel and what you want to get out of it. But why is self-confidence important? Well, YouTube is a freaking long journey, and throughout the journey, there will be multiple times where you start to doubt yourself and your choices. And that's normal. I've been there myself, I've done that. But here's the thing, as long as you believe that every video you make is better than the previous one, then you are building your self-confidence slowly but surely. It doesn't matter if you're improving in your video or keywords or thumbnails or titles. Every single improvement helps build your self-confidence. And the more you do it, the more you will move yourself away from worrying too much about your channel's growth, your views, and your subscribers. But why do I want you to move away from worrying about those numbers? Aren't they the determining factor to your YouTube channel's growth? So here's another story. As my YouTube channel started to grow, there were multiple people who approached me and offered me their services to help grow my YouTube channel even further, even faster. Some of them are real, most of them are fake, and some are just downright salesy. Nevertheless, all of them can sound very convincing. And there was one person who approached me. He was someone I met a couple of years ago. He was a Google SEO expert. He emailed me and he started telling me that he is able to rank my videos in Google SEO. And if my videos appear in the first page of Google, my channel can easily get views and grow my channel in a matter of months. And then he goes on to say that he usually charges XXX dollars. I don't know what XXX means, not sure why he needs to hide how much he charges. But anyways, he said he wouldn't charge me, but he sort of tried to prove to me that he is capable of doing that. Now, I don't doubt his skill. I'm sure he can rank my videos on Google first page. But here's the thing. It can sound very convincing at first, like it is no-brainer to use his service. That is only if you do not know what you're doing with your YouTube channel. You see, once you create a lot of videos on YouTube and you start playing around and controlling how you want to grow your YouTube channel, you'll start to learn that the YouTube algorithm is something no one understands. And the reason is because search is evolving. SEO isn't that big anymore. Personalization is. If we were to search for the same search terms like how to grow your YouTube channel, the search results you and I have can be very different. So what I'm saying here is, take control of your YouTube channel and do not let some sleazy salesman try to convince you to take up their crappy services that will do you no good for your channel. This is especially true if that person who tries to offer you their advice and services does not even run a YouTube channel themselves. You and I know that only a true YouTuber will understand what works and what doesn't. And to end my story, I replied to his email by politely rejecting his service and told him YouTube works very differently from Google. I should know because I have been testing a lot. Then he replied to me again in a very defensive way, claiming that I am wrong and that I don't understand. I mean, I get it, you will get defensive and offended when someone doubts your expertise, but if he wants to prove me wrong, then give me some testimonials, right? Oh my god, I am so sorry about the rant. Look, as long as you spend time understanding how YouTube works for your channel, you will boost your self-confidence and you won't take up unnecessary services that will harm your channel. Anyways, that's all from me in this one. To all my fellow small channels out there, have fun and enjoy the new year. And of course, like, subscribe, do the usual. All the best for the new year. Take care and I'll see you soon.